Hi Cakes, super excited about your book. Below are some ideas to get you started. You are the one in the driver's seat for this project, so I would, just kind of really encourage you to follow your curiosity and interest. There are some goal-setting questions and resources to guide your thinking and learning, but they are really just meant to be resources and to get you started. You don't need to read every single resource or answer every single question. I would spend some time visiting the resources that are of interest to you. And if you find yourself curious about something and wanting to learn more, definitely follow your curiosity. You don't, I know that you said you wanted to write a book and that you said that you wanted to focus on historical fiction, and you said that you're interested in the Underground Railroad, and that's awesome. That's a great place to start. But if you find, as you're doing your research, that you're more curious about something else, then it's okay to switch and to change it up. So feel free to look for other resources that aren't included here. Again, really kind of let your curiosity be your guide. All right, so looking forward to hearing about your writing journey and seeing what you come up with. Love you.